Hi traders, welcome to another video of daily intraday stock analysis. Before moving to the watch list for tomorrow, we can analyze how our trade performed today. We provided 4 stocks. 2 stocks were in bullish setup, 2 stocks were in bearish setup. As you know, today's market was a kind of bearish to sideways market. Hence, we can completely avoid the bullish setup stocks. In bearish setup stocks, there were 2 stocks we provided. Among that, only one trade was triggered, that is NAM India. We suggested you to short the stocks below this level, and after that you can clearly see that you got a 1:2 risk reward trade in NAM India, and our levels were respected beautifully. You can clearly see that around that area the stock was struggling for entire day. So out of 4 stocks, or there are only 2 in bearish setup. Among that, one is performed very well. You got 1:2 risk reward ratio, which is well and good in intraday market. Now we can move forward and see what is the watch list for tomorrow's market, that is 23rd June 2022. The first stock in our watch list is Barbie Airtel. In the daily chart of Barbie Airtel, you can clearly see that the box we marked here that comes around 650 region is acting as a good supply demand area for the stock. Here you can see that stock was facing a resistance over here, and after a breakout, stock rallied from this point to this point, and again there was a sell off, and you can clearly see that this area was respecting multiple times, and currently stock is trading around that region. An interesting thing that today stock was forming an insider candle in the exact area. Hence, if tomorrow we are getting a breakdown below this zone, you can plan for short trade. Now we can analyze the 5-minute chart of Barbie Airtel. Tomorrow, if you are getting a closing below this day low that comes around 641-42 region, if you are getting a closing below that, then you can plan for a short trade in Barbie Airtel, and your target will come around 634 and 625. The second stock that we are tracking is ACC Cements. In the daily chart of ACC, you can clearly see that the box we marked here that will come around the region of 280, 2100. It is acting as a supply demand zone. You can clearly see that after the fair, the stock exactly bounced from this point, and you can see that the stock was facing some power struggle around this region, and currently stock is trading just below that zone. After breakdown from this level, in the last few trading sessions it was retesting that level, and today it formed a complete bearish candle. Hence, tomorrow if you are getting a breakdown below this zone, then you can plan for short trade in ACC Cements. Tomorrow in the 5-minute chart, if you are getting a breakdown below this zone that will come around 2055, then you can plan for short trade in ACC, and your target will come around 2033 and 2011. The third stock that we are tracking is ALKA. In the daily chart of ALKA, you can clearly see that the rectangle area we marked here that will come around 3150, 3130, this region. It is acting as a supply demand area for the stock multiple times. Here you can see that stock was facing some struggle here, you can see, and after a breakout and after a severe sell off, the stock was taking support around this region multiple times, and it gave a breakdown, and it was facing some struggle at this point, and there was a huge consolidation area for last couple of days. Today it gave a good breakdown below that consolidation area. Tomorrow, if you are getting a further sell off in this stock, then we can plan our trade accordingly. So tomorrow, if you are getting a closing of 5-minute candle below this region that will come around 2960, then you can plan for short trade in ALKA, and your target will come around 2934 and 2904. The fourth and last stock that's in our watch list is DV's Lab. In DV's Lab, we are finding for the bullish opportunity. You can see that after a severe sell-off, stock is actually trying to make a base around this region, and you can see that from this point there are severe sell-off, and in last two trading sessions the stock is continuously trading and struggling in this area. If tomorrow if you are getting a breakout above this zone, then you can plan for long trade in DB slab, provided you should see how pharma stocks and pharma index is performing. Tomorrow, if you are getting a closing above this 3637 region on 5-minute basis, then you can plan for long trade and your target will come around 3675, 3714. Before entering any trade, you should be careful, because if you are getting a gap down opening, then you can completely avoid this trade. If you are getting a flat opening or a gap up opening and there is a retest in this level, and if you see some bullishness, then you can plan for long trade. Or if there is a gap up and some consolidation, after that there is a breakout, then you can plan for it. If it's a gap down opening, you can completely avoid this trade. These are the four stocks that you are tracking for tomorrow's market. You can also add these stocks to your watchlist and can track. Before entering in any trade, you should check how overall market is performing, either it is bullish or bearish. If it is bullish, then only look for bullish opportunities, and if it is bearish, only look for bearish opportunities. I hope that the trade logic I explained here is understandable and you are getting some value. If you find it valuable, please like this video and share with your friends. And once again, thanks for watching, and I'm wishing you a happy trading day tomorrow.